Hi, in front of me is UMIDIGI A3S, and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard theme on this device. Firstly, open Settings, then scroll all the way down and tap on System. Languages and input, virtual keyboard, and currently used keyboard, in my case, Gboard. Go into Theme and click on Show More to see all available options. Now you can pick a color and tap on the switcher next to keyboarders to disable or enable them. When you're done, click Apply. You can also download one of the images and apply them as well. So now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!